Morning, Compassionate Collective members. This morning I'm having a lovely warm cup of soup, um, and this message is specifically for my Compassionate Collective members. No matter in the world, where you are in the world, I'm starting up an online community on my school platform. I'll post the link over here so that it makes it simple for you. Please join, and there's valuable information. And I know, especially right in the beginning when things are still so raw and you can't make sense of a lot of what's happened, it's very difficult to actually reach out, take guidance, because everything in your world just collapsed and you feel alone. And no matter what anyone says, it's definitely not the right thing. But each and every one of us deal with grief differently. So when you're ready and wanting some guidance or just resources, that you get to choose from in your own time, at your own pace, not necessarily having to connect with any people directly, hop onto school. I'll also be hosting webinars on that platform and one on one sessions for those who may want it. So I invite you, join me. I'm here for you, and you're never alone. Have a wonderful day, and even though you don't feel like it, keep smiling, keep shining.